Getting streaming data into your data warehouse shouldn't require a massive team and multiple tools, but today it does. Kafka for ingestion, Spark for processing, Iceberg for storage, then Snowflake for queries. 4 systems, endless integration code. WarpStream Tableflow is a streaming database that writes directly to Apache Iceberg tables. One platform, no Spark jobs, no custom pipelines, no operational overhead. Produced to Tableflow with the Kafka protocol. Tableflow automatically handles schema evolution, compaction, partitioning, and writes optimized Iceberg tables to your object storage. Query immediately with Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, Athena, or any Iceberg-compatible engine. Perfect for real-time dashboards, event analytics, CDC pipelines, IoT telemetry. Any use case where you need streaming data immediately available for queries, Tableflow is ready. Sub-minute data freshness without managing infrastructure. Your streaming data is queryable, analytics-ready Iceberg. One platform from ingestion to query. WarpStream Tableflow. Stream in, query out. Learn more at warpstream.com/tableflow.